Hello, my dear students. I am your English teacher Jitin. Once again, we are all back into the English classes. I welcome you all to this class of English. In the last English class, what did we study? We studied about English grammar, isn't it? Today also we will continue with English grammar. Do you all remember what we studied in the last English grammar class? We studied about nouns, isn't it? Do you all remember nouns? What are nouns? We studied that nouns are the names of people, animals, birds, insects, places and things. What does it mean? The names of people, the names of animals, the names of birds, the names of insects, the names of places and the names of things are nouns. We also studied that the names of the days of the week are also nouns. What does it mean? The names of the days of the week, such as Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. All these days are nouns. The names of family relations are also nouns. Don't you remember? The names of family relations such as father, mother, brother, sister, uncle, aunt, grandfather, grandmother, husband, wife, all these are also nouns. We studied this much in the last class, and in this class let us learn about proper nouns. What are proper nouns? Proper nouns are a type of nouns. So let us see what are proper nouns in detail. Chapter 4, Proper Nouns. Let us recall. Special names of people, places, animals or things are called proper nouns. Proper nouns always begin with a capital letter. For example, Delhi, Mumbai, Ashok, the Taj Mahal, Shivani. Listen, in the last year you studied that proper nouns are special names of people, places, animals and things. Let us see what you studied. Let us go back to the last year. Proper nouns are specific or particular names. What does it mean? In the last year you studied that proper nouns are special names of people, places, animals or things. That means proper nouns are specific or particular names. What does it mean? It means that proper nouns are particular or specific names of people, places, animals and things. Let us see it in detail. The names of people are proper nouns. What does it mean? Look at the picture. The names Ashok, Jitin, Shivani, all these names are names of particular people. Jitin is my name. There is no one like me. Jitin is my particular name. Jitin is the particular name of me. Like that, there are many names for people and all these names are particular. So the names of people are proper nouns. The names of places are also proper nouns. What does it mean? The names of places such as India, Delhi, Arunachal Pradesh and there are several other places. All the names of these places are proper nouns. Because there is only one country called India. There is only one place called Delhi. There is only one state called Arunachal Pradesh. Do you get me? So all these places are particular. All these places are specific. So the names of places are proper nouns. The names of animals are also proper nouns. What does it mean? There are names for animals, no? These names are also proper nouns. Earlier we studied that the names of people are proper nouns and the names of animals are also proper nouns. Look at the picture. Maria's cat is Boo. The name of Maria's cat is Boo and the name Boo is a proper noun. The name of John's dog is Jackie. So the name Jackie is a proper noun. Do you get me? Because Jackie and Boo are particular animals or specific animals. So the names of animals are also proper nouns. Sometimes the names of things are also proper nouns. What does it mean? Certain things are particular or specific. Such names are also proper nouns. For example, Danny's computer. Computer is a noun, but Danny's computer is a particular or a specific thing. So Danny's computer is a proper noun. Harley Davidson bike. Bike is a noun, but Harley Davidson bike is a proper noun. What does it mean? There are many bikes in this world, but Harley Davidson bike is a specific or a particular noun. It is a specific bike or a particular bike. So, the name Harley Davidson bike is a proper noun. Proper nouns always begin with a capital letter. What does it mean? We studied that specific names of people, places, animals or things are proper nouns. And when we write these names, the first letter should be written in capital font. Do you get me? The first letter of the proper nouns are always capital. When you write your name, the first letter should be capital. When you write the name of a place, the first letter should be capital. Do you get me? Now read with me. Let us understand. Special names of rivers, streets, days and months are proper nouns. For example, the Ganges, Joplin Street, Tuesday and March. Special names of companies, countries, beaches and gardens are also proper nouns. For example, Raymond, China, Greece, Marina Beach, Brindavan Gardens, the Hanging Gardens. Now let us try to understand what we read now. Let us try to understand what is written in the textbook. Listen, special names of rivers are proper nouns. What does it mean? A river is a noun, no? If there are names for rivers, then those names are proper nouns. For example, the Ganges, the Brahmaputra. The Ganges is the name of a river, and so the name Ganges is a proper noun. The name Brahmaputra is the name of a river, so the word the Brahmaputra is also a proper noun. Do you get me? Special names of streets are also proper noun. Street is a noun. Do you get me? And for the street, if there are names, then those names of the streets are proper nouns. For example, Joplin Street. Joplin is the name of a street. The word Joplin Street is a proper noun. Zero. Zero is the name of a street. And the word zero is a proper noun. Do you get me? Special names of days are also proper nouns. For example, Monday, Saturday. Likewise, the names of all days are proper nouns. For example, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. The names of all these days are proper nouns. Special names of months are also proper nouns. For example, March, December. The names of all the months are proper nouns, starting from January to December. All the months are proper nouns. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. All the names of all months are proper nouns. Special names of companies are also proper nouns. For example, the name of the company Peter England. The name of the company Raymond. the name of the company Harley Davidson. All these names are proper nouns. Why? Because those names of those companies are particular or specific. So the names of these companies are proper nouns. Special names of countries are also proper nouns. For example, the names India, China, Greece. These are the names of countries. These names of countries are also proper nouns. Special names of beaches are also proper nouns. For example, the name Marina Beach, the name Goa Beach. These are the names of beaches. Marina is a beach, Goa is a beach, and Marina Beach and Goa Beach, these names are also proper nouns. Special names of gardens are also proper nouns. There are names for gardens now. What is a garden? Garden is a place full of flowers, isn't it? If there are names for the gardens, then those names are also proper nouns. For example, Brindavan Gardens, the Hanging Gardens. These names are also proper nouns. So shall we conclude? What did we study today? We studied about proper nouns. What are proper nouns? Proper nouns are specific or particular names. What does it mean? The special names of people, the special names of places, the special names of animals, things, rivers, streets, days, months, companies, countries, beaches, gardens. All these names are proper nouns. Do you get me? So all of you watch the video and try to understand the concept proper noun very well. Proper nouns are just specific or particular names. That's all. Read the chapter very well. Try to understand what I said. So all of you take care. Stay home. Stay safe. Have a nice day. We can see in the next class. All of you take care. Bye.